one. So last time, so we already performed about the setting up the DHCP and doing a folder redirection from the server to the client. Now this time we will be performing the desktop remote desktop connection. So to do that, so we'll just need to add new roles from the server. Okay, so let's try to log in with the administrator. So admin 123. Okay, so here, so we will be adding roles, new roles. Wait, nag-load pang server. So again, let's try to add. So new role, and then next, 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 and then let's just check this remote desktop services, and then next, 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 and then here sa role services we will be selecting the remote desktop session host. Okay, then add features, next, and then install. Okay, so we'll just wait until it finishes the installation. So we'll just wait until it start. Okay, so we're back with the server. So let's log in. Sorry. So just type here administrator. Pag once mag setup ganito og ano server, I mean remote desktop connection. So sa next login na to, we will be asked to input the specific name of the administrator or the logon name. So let's continue. Okay, there are some configurations nga dapat nato i-consider here sa server. So let's first check. Let's go to the admin system. And then after that, let's go with the remote settings. And then allow remote. Okay, it's Okay na siya dire. There's nothing to change. So let's just add here for those persons who are has the privilege to remote the server. So mag-add ta dire og mga users. So ang mga users na atong i-add is katong mga user nga atong gi-create ganiya, which is ang teacher o ang student. So let's say Raby. Check names. So Raby refill and teacher. Let's just say teacher. Okay, so teacher Raby. So man atong mga gipanghimo ganiya. So akong gina-check names ng pag-automatic makita niya iya yung i-result diri sa tong mga user iyang nakita. Okay? So maraman ning duwang mga user atong gi-login ganiya sa sa previously nga tutorial sa pag folder redirection. So mao gyapon ning mga account ng gamiton. Okay? So okay and then okay then okay. Next to this is let's go check the firewall. Let's turn off the firewall to make sure nga walay pag-block sa connection niya. So let's go here, turn Windows firewall on and or off. So let's just turn off everything. And then after that, click OK. And then one more thing, let's go with the allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. So select na to na siya, and then let's go check the Windows Remote Management. So naka-check siya tanan, so there's nothing to be worried. Now after this, let's go with the client PC. So Windows 10. So muna na ang client PC. So login ta. So naka-login ang kanang ang client nga PC, ang teacher nga account. So given na siya nga ang naghatag mga nato nga access is ang teachers nga account, ang atong student nga account. So ilagin ako na siya gamit sa password, which is admin123. Tapos natin i-configure sa ang system sa remote settings niya. I-add na to ang kinsa tong pwede maka-remote sa kanang computer sa client. So syempre si administrator. So we'll just wait until it finishes logging in. Okay, so we're done here. So let's go with the system. So right click sa Windows icon and then click system. Then let's go with the remote settings. So this is on the client side ha. So mo login sa taas administrator dire para na-give full privilege. Okay, so naka-check ng allow remote assistance connection in this computer. So let's just select first the allow remote connection in this computer, and then we'll select the users. So ang naray access dire ang administrator. So mag-add na, balik ko na ko, mag-click og add. Syempre na may access ang administrator na daan, pero better nga ato na siyang i-add. So admin, check names na to. So administrator. And then okay. Okay, and then apply. And one more thing, madto ta sa firewall. So firewall. Wait lang, nag-load pa. Again, firewall. Okay, so in my case, pag mag-search ko firewall dire, dito hindi ako makita tong Windows firewall nga app mismo. So let's just simply select the control panel. control panel, and then wait lang. Then let's select system and security and then Windows firewall. So here ato ang i-disable ang firewall. So let's just type the administrator's account. Admin 123. Oops. Sorry. Wrong account. Like ko na to. Administrator nakabutang. Administrator. Admin 123. Okay, so let's turn off the firewall. Turn off and turn off. Click OK. Then last thing is let's go with the allow an app or feature through Windows firewall. And then let's go with the Windows remote management. So check nato na siya. Check nato ning tulo. And then click OK. Then we're good to go. So first let's try to from the server, let's try to remote the client PC, this PC. Okay, this is the client PC and this is the server. So let's search here the remote desktop connection, and then atong i-access ang IP address sa ato ang client. Okay, so ang IP address sa itong client kay 192.168.0.2. okay, so click connect. So we will be asked a password. So admin 123. Okay. So we'll just wait until it connects. If there is a pop-up windows nga magawas wala ani, so let's just simply select yes. Okay, so an error occurred. So let's just try to check the IP addresses if nag-coincide ba silang tanan. So let's go here. Check the IP addresses. Oh, sorry. Okay. Tama ra. Dito sa ato ang client's account. So let's just look for its IP address if tama ba ito ang butang IP. Okay, so it's still the same. Sa delay lang siguro siya nagka-error. So let's try to connect it once again gikan sa server. So again, let's try to connect. So, do you want to connect despite the certificate errors? Yes. Okay, so naka-remote na ta sa to ang Windows client. So, another user is signed in. If you continue, they'll be disconnected. Do you want to sign it anyway? Sign in anyway? Yes. So, please wait for STI teacher to respond. So, we will be the teacher's account or the client's PC is being asked to log in or to confirm sa ato ang request. So, matatas tong client PC. So it has been asked to allow the administrator to connect to this machine. So okay lang nato na siya. And then it will sign out, and then the server would have the privilege to log in. So mana na siya ang server. Kani. So we're successfully done with connecting the server to the client's PC using the remote desktop connection. So after this, so we will be connecting the client PC to the server's PC. So nga na siya pagpa-check dito sa inyong inyong assessor na. Sir, pakita na ko sir ang remote desktop connection within from the server to the client, and to the client to the server, from the client to the server. Okay. So I'll be posting this video para dili na kayo mataas ang oras. Okay, so the server is successfully logged in to the client's PC. So karon ato na ning i-log out, close na nato ni. Disconnect na nato siya. So now nanata sa to ang server nga desktop na. So balik ta ato na ta sa to ang client's PC. Ano ni? Login ta. And then ang server na po ang ato ang i-remote. So, remote desktop connection. Okay.
Okay, I'll be giving everyone 10 minutes to download. Then after 10 minutes, you will start your first activity.
Okay, so buta nato yung IP address sa server sa 192.168.0.1. Okay. Click connect. We will be asked a password. You can sa teacher. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then mulat na tawag response sa certificate niya. Okay, so nagpapapang window sa yung certificate. So ato na ng yes. And then after this, so we will be clicking OK. And then login ta as administrator. and admin 123.
Problem 3, hindi mo naman in-answer.
Okay. So, nag-sign out ang sa administrator, sumuna ni ang nasa client. So makita niyo na i-folder, redirection of folder. So sa server ni siya nga side. So we are successfully made the client to have a remote desktop connection to the server. Okay? So that's it. So ako na nang i-close.
11:40.
Okay. So we're back on the desktop of the client. So that's it. So kana lang inyong ipakita ang both sides from server to client and client to server nga pag remote sa desktop. Okay, so we'll end for this video, and then the next thing is sa pag backup and restore na dayon sa sa mga drives sa server, and then we also have the adding printer or printer deployment. Okay, so thank you, then we'll continue on the next tutorial.